Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here's a new video for you all. So today we are gonna make a very trending art technique, and that is acrylic pouring. So I'm a little late into this, but let's try this today and see how it goes. So here are the things that you need for this kind of painting. So I'm using few plastic cups so that I can mix different colors into it, because we don't always have the liquid, so acrylics. Like I have this huge bottle of white colors because I'm not going to use any pouring medium. So as you know, this whole idea of this painting is how to make acrylic pour medium in budget when you are not using any pouring medium or anything. So how we can do that? So we are just using less colors, very few colors, and with these we're gonna make a acrylic pouring painting. So let's see how it goes. So we'll use a little straw as well, and some of the water to mix the colors. Whenever it's you know that it's little bit thicker, you can add a little bit of water into it so that it'll be little dilute. Yeah, very important thing, don't forget to wear gloves, which I didn't, and I ended up getting a lot of color onto my hand. So don't do that mistake. The first thing first, we need to secure and the whatever you're keeping your canvas on is, if it's a table or anything, we don't want the mess in our house. So that's why I just keep a plastic paper or any cling film or anything, so that all that color will drip onto that sheet only. And so that's why I'm just putting a sheet on underneath my canvas. So I just took white color and I diluted it so that and the other colors will flow very smoothly onto it. So now I'm gonna pour these colors onto each other. So this is called as puddle pouring, I guess. I'm very new into this. This is the first time I'm trying this fluid painting, and I think I have diluted it a lot. So don't make this mistake like me. Just don't dilute your color a lot. Just make sure the amount of water is very less, and so that's why my puddle is not a puddle anymore. It's just it's a river. But anyhow, we're gonna reach the end we want it to look like, so don't worry, we'll make a changes here and there and it'll look nice in the end. So let's see what we can do. So keep tilting it till you get the desired result that you want. So I'm not happy with whatever is happening here, so I'm gonna add a little bit of color here and there, some white and black, so on this little spaces, and then again I'll tilt it and I'll see how it goes. So just trust your eyes and keep doing the tilting and adding more color wherever you feel like. So now as you can see, the marble effect is coming and we can see the swirls and all, so it's looking little better now. So but I'm thinking to add a little bit of something like a gold or silver. I have gold color in acrylic, so I'm gonna use that. So let's see how it will look. I'm just trying to figure it out, where should I add the color. As you can see, I just added few drops of gold here and there and little bit of pink as well. So this is what it looks like now, and it's very addictive. I can't stop myself at one point, so I just keep adding more details and all. So it's very addictive, you can't stop yourself. So if you have a pouring medium, I know the results are gonna be much better than this, but if you don't have, just don't stop yourself from being creative. Do with whatever you have at your home, try this and see it's looking nice, so it will turn out to be great, I'm sure. So next time I'll come up with a new video. Till then, yeah, don't forget to click on the subscribe icon and do comment below and share your views with me. Don't forget it. Bye bye.